Yake Susat. Good morning, Saka, coming from our place to yours. So, anyways, I just wanted the drums that I have here. I'm going to be making a video, and not today, because right now we're all getting ready for Christmas party and stuff like that. So, all these things are here that we're going to be taking for that. So, but what I'm going to be doing is I got a drumstick and I'm going to be playing the drums here. So I'm going to make a video of playing these drums, and that's going to be coming soon, or within the next few days or whatever it's going to be. All right, have a great day. Kaasteen Satsu. Bye-bye.